record. So let's say we have an impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse. Let's say we started the uptrend here and then we retraced and then we started moving up. Okay, start moving up on this one. So when we started moving up on this one, this retracement, the last retracement, becomes the level that if we break below and close below, the uptrend has what? Changed to what? A downtrend. So for example, imagine price comes and close below here and retraces. Once price has closed below here, it can retrace there. Do you understand? It doesn't matter. Do you get what I'm saying? Once price has come here, it can retrace anywhere it chooses to, so long as it doesn't retrace above this one where the impulse started. We are in a down. We've changed the direction of the trend. Do you understand? So now, when we get into this new impulse and we have a retracement, now the new level to break to change direction is this one. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now let's say now where we are now, imagine price comes and price just only comes here. PK, are you joining again?
I'm joining with my Mac. I've been on my phone this whole time.
Okay. And then we come and we close here. So imagine we came here and we come here. So at this point where we are here and we are going there, we are still what? In an what? Uptrend. Does it make sense? Uptrend. Uptrend. Even though we've not broken the new high, but we only assume that we're an uptrend until, so then this becomes what? The new what? Reversal.
Right, the new low.
Exactly. So when this becomes the new low, if we break below it, then the trend has what? We are in a downtrend.
Okay.
Do you understand? So now we can comfortably say that we will go down here. Let's say come and retest, come down, come and retest, come down. And then we can color this purple. And you know why I'm using those colors, the consistency colors. So then we know that we are assuming this on the 1 hour. Okay. And that same thing plays on the 15 minutes. Okay. It's simple. And I'll take you guys, you choose a pair and then we'll go into that chart and then we look at it.
So now what needs to be broken for it to start an uptrend again?
So that's what we're about to do.
Okay.
So when we were here and then we broke, which means that this new trend is what? So technically this new leg is now the impulse of the what? Of the downtrend, this new leg. Do you understand? Because it broke below. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, and it retraced here. So when it retraced to this point, if we break above that retracement at the time price was here, okay? At the time price was here, if it breaks above this, let's say when price was around here, we break above this and we close above. Let's say we break above this and we close above, then it means that this retracement, because we've broken above the retracement,
has changed direction.
the trend has changed, exactly.
Right.
And you understand how that would help you catch opportunities. Today, because I'm new to learning this thing, so today there was a clear opportunity. I didn't even recognize it. Then I saw that, oh, this is the thing that I'm just noticing. You know, I'll show you guys on gold. So now, and this thing doesn't make you rush too much. And you can, when you master it, you can find different pairs and you see the trend on it, and then you trade that one. This is going to make the trading very, very easy. So where are we going to, if price impulse and we retrace, where is going to be the latest place for price to break for the trend to change?
The one before. Oh, to change up there. It has to break above.
This one?
No.
The one after.
This one?
No, the one above.
This one. Okay. This one here. So you guys get the concept now. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you get the concept, and by the way, guys, I'm no more on Zoom subscription. I don't have the money. So if it cuts, you will join again. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay,
So
that
now
makes sense.
let's close everything now.
Right.
And then we are going to go to Charlie, guys, pick a pair. Don't pick gold. Let's find something else.
Okay, Charlie, I'm gonna check.
Um,
I want Euro USD, please.
okay. 1 minute, yeah. Euro USD. Let me tidy up. That's my charts. Okay, boom, boom, and then boom. So tutorials. Euro USD. Okay. So Euro USD. Let me tidy up the charts. Bim, 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 bim. Okay. So Euro USD. 1 hour. All right. And then we'll just use 2 trends. 2 trends. All right. Or let's use 1, 2, 3. This is more like a 4-hour this thing, and then we'll bring it in. So this is like, you see, it's like a 4-hour. Do you see?
Yeah.
So we can pick this, that, this, and that. Okay. But technically the whole trend is from here to there on the 4-hour. Let's pick that one. So from here to there. That's the
Yeah.
4-hour.
Mhm.
Okay. You see now when I'm doing these things, it's making sense now
Yeah.
because you know what we are talking about. Now, so let's come to the
Mm.
1 hour. When we come to the 1 hour, going up, we'll get something like this. So technically, this went and it came back down to the same area. So we can almost say that we pick it from the bottom here. Okay, so 1 hour is up, retracement, up, retracement, up, retracement, up. If we like,
Same
we could
level.
even move this to same level. So
Yeah.
let's do it again. So up, you see how the assignment makes things clearer and easy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So boom, boom. And this thing here. Now coming down. So
Mm.
in coming down, let's use our concept. Okay.
Yeah.
So in going up, would have this. That's where's blue. And that. And that. We could have even said this one if we choose to. Let's say that. And then this will be okay, that's fine. And that. You know what, let's use the same thing for it to look nice. Because so in that, okay. Now we come back to the retracement. Clone and that. Okay. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So we have an uptrend, we have a downtrend on the 1 hour. No, it's an uptrend, a retracement, uptrend, retracement, uptrend. Okay. In coming on the downtrend. Oh, what have I done?
Hey. Oh.
In coming on the downtrend, this is our last retracement. Do you see it, guys?
Yeah.
So when we break below that, so we are going to apply our concept. When we break below this last retracement, the trend has done what?
Changed.
Has changed. So we can therefore say that in coming down, we can pull our fib from here, a line from here, structure, 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 and then all the way down here.
But Mr. Michael, you know this one, it didn't go to retest. It doesn't necessarily have to pull back to the previous plays, does it?
I don't understand what you mean.
You know
Do you know how to use the annotation? Maybe you don't know. So like you can mark on my chart.
Oh, can I? Oh yeah, I think I saw something like that.
But maybe it will be long. So let's
it?
show me where exactly you're saying. So I'm here. Tell me where to
Oh,
go.
wait, I've seen it. Okay, let me do it.
Okay.
So you see
So
how
in the okay, go on.
You see this
The
one?
annotation too, you can change the type of line. This one, it will scribble like you're writing. Yeah, so there.
Oh, how do you change it?
So look, when you click on annotation, you get a panel, like a menu panel, and you see a squeaky line. And then you can even change the
Yeah.
color if you choose to.
Okay, let me see quickly. Okay. Let me use this one. Okay. Hopefully it works. But you know this area here,
Mm-hmm.
when it broke over here, it didn't go all the way back to the red line.
Yeah,
to
it doesn't
retest,
mean
but
it doesn't matter because so
okay.
long as it
Okay.
closed below, did it
Yeah.
close below here? Did it close below it?
Yeah, it closed below. Yeah.
If you could even see close below here, it went and tested it anyway. But it
Oh,
doesn't
okay.
have to. But it doesn't have to.
Okay.
So long as it closed below. And you see, because we are in a 1 hour, you see it's quite like small. But when we go into 50 minutes, you see how big it looks. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, so this is the new thing that we are looking
Please,
at.
can I
And then
see your divergence?
we are not there yet. When we go into the 15 minutes, then we start looking at divergences.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So from here, now we can say that from the top, that is the impulse, purple. And then we retraced on this one. Guys, you know, I wish we were doing like 2 classes in a week.
You can probably do Monday.
But when let's see what we can do. Then if we master this thing, we will come and only be playing this thing, back testing. We'll be back testing live, like how we do back testing, and we'll use the strategy. But we need to understand the strategy first. Do you understand? So when we broke this low, we are now in a downtrend. We retraced, boom, retraced, boom. So where was our last retracement? Technically, we can even say that this was our last retracement, or this was our last. We can come here. But when you're trading, you see it clearly. You can say this was your last retracement, and then you finish there. So from all the way from here to there, retracement. So this is going to be your last reversal, something like here. Do you know what I mean? And then we broke it. You see, but when we broke it, where did we close? We came in, we closed below. Do you know what I'm saying? We didn't close above, so we didn't get retracement beyond that. So this would have still been what our last retracement to go to the up. Do you understand? Where did we break it? We broke it here. So in going up,
What about the previous break?
the previous break we broke it, but did we retest above it? So
No.
what technically what would have happened with the previous break is that this is a break.
Yeah.
So we call it blue, which is fine. So we'll have an impulse, which is blue. Where is blue? Where is blue? Blue.
First one.
And then, do you understand?
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
we'll
But
have
it
a
didn't retest
retracement here.
above.
Technically, we could have a retracement, which is fine. We could still have, because it's broke above, we can technically say, okay, we broke it. So let's say it's still blue.
The first one.
Yeah. It's still blue, and then we retested, we went up. Do you understand? So fine. Once we broke it, let's take it. Do you understand? And then clone this. So we are saying that if we then break below this one, we are now in what? We are now in what? The downtrend. So our uptrend is uptrend technically will start from here, there, there,
Break
there,
above.
there.
Okay.
There.
And there's even one before the one, but yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is that is what it is. And all we are looking for is breaking the retracements. Do you understand? So in this case, we can even ignore the impulses. Do you understand? And we want to break the retracements. That's all we are looking to break. Retracements, retracement point. But in trading itself, it is good for you to do both. You know what I mean? So now we are waiting to break this last bit before the trend has what changed. We broke it with this one. Do you understand? So zero retrace, boom.
Yes, yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And so this allows retracement. We are waiting to break above that, and then the trend has changed. Doesn't make sense. So now this is the basic concept. What I want to do now is I'm going to close the Zoom, and then you guys will join again because I only have 40 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah.